C. Karuppasamy, March 22, 1955 to October 22, 2011, was an Indian politician and a former member of the Legislative Assembly. He was elected to the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly from Sankaranayanarkoil constituency in the 1996, 2001, 2006 elections and 2011 elections as an Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, ADMK, candidate. His constituency was reserved for candidates from the Scheduled Castes.Karuppasamy. Was President of Kallappakulam Panchayat between 1986 to 1991. He was one of only 4 ADMK candidates to be elected to the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly in 1996, when the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam routed their opposition. He is staunch loyalist of AIADMK Supremo Jayalalithaa. He served as Minister for Anna Dravida and Tribal Welfare between 2002 to 2006. In the later Jayalalithaa-led government, he served briefly Minister for Animal Husbandry, May-June 2011, and also briefly as Minister for Sports and Youth Welfare, June-July 2011. He became a minister without portfolio from July while he underwent treatment for cancer, and he retained that position until his death in October 2011. Karuppasamy was born on March 22, 1955 at Puliampati. He was receiving treatment for cancer when he died, aged 56, in a private hospital in Chennai on October 22, 2011. He was survived by his wife, a daughter, and son. References